Amazed by our 15-video YouTube Shorts compilation on rare and weird conditions. Each video is packed with incredible facts and mind-blowing stories. Like, share, and subscribe, and join us on this wild journey. Let's start. This condition is known as exophthalmos, and it's when your eyes protrude more than usual. Exophthalmos can be caused by various conditions, including thyroid eye disease, tumors, or infections. It's important to see a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Now, this is what you call frostbite. Frostbite occurs when skin and other tissues freeze due to exposure to extremely cold temperatures. The affected areas may become numb, pale, and hard, sometimes turning blue or gray. In severe cases, blisters may form and tissue may become damaged, leading to potential amputation if not treated promptly. Seek medical attention immediately. This is cutis verticis gyrata, is a rare condition where the scalp develops thick, folded ridges that resemble the surface of the brain. This condition can be present from birth or develop later in life, and it's often associated with other underlying health issues. While it's primarily a cosmetic concern, it's important to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any related conditions. Eye twitching can be quite common and usually isn't anything to worry about. It's often caused by things like fatigue, stress, caffeine, or eye strain. That said, if it persists or is accompanied by other symptoms, it might be a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. For most people, though, it's just a minor and temporary annoyance. Did you know that Katy Perry can make her eye twitch? But don't worry, she can do it by herself, and it's not a medical condition. This is what you call subdermal implants. Subdermal implants are devices placed under the skin to create a desired shape or effect. They are often used for body modification and can be made from various materials. Now, this is what you called heterochromia. It is a condition where an individual has two different colored eyes. It can be congenital or acquired and is often harmless, though it can sometimes be a sign of other medical conditions. There are different types of heterochromia, such as complete heterochromia, where each eye is a different color, and sectoral heterochromia, where part of one eye is a different color from the rest. Tourette syndrome is a neurological disorder characterized by tics, which are involuntary, repetitive movements and vocalizations. These tics can range from simple movements like blinking or coughing to more complex actions such as jumping or repeating words. Person living with Tourette syndrome, engaging in daily activities. Tourette syndrome can affect people differently, and it often appears in childhood. While there's no cure, treatments like behavioral therapy and medications can help manage symptoms. Person confidently sharing their experience with Tourette syndrome. Did you know that Billie Eilish also has this condition? But despite having it, she doesn't let it affect her for her fans. Living with Tourette syndrome can be challenging, but with understanding and support, individuals can lead fulfilling lives. Now, this condition is called lamellar ichthyosis. Lamellar ichthyosis is a rare genetic skin disorder characterized by the formation of large, thick, dark scales across the skin. It is caused by mutations in certain genes that affect the skin's ability to shed dead cells, leading to the buildup of scales. The condition is present from birth and is chronic, requiring ongoing management. Dimples are a genetic trait caused by a variation in the facial muscles. When you smile, the zygomaticus major muscle splits into two, creating those adorable dimples. Dimples can be inherited, so if your parents have them, there's a good chance you might too. They can appear on one or both cheeks, and sometimes even on the chin, known as a chin dimple or cleft chin. Ventosa is a traditional therapy where cups are placed on the skin to create suction. This suction is believed to improve blood flow, reduce pain, and promote healing. Now, this is what you call varicose veins. Varicose veins are swollen, twisted veins caused by weak or damaged vein walls leading to poor blood flow. They often appear blue or dark purple and can sometimes cause pain, swelling, or a heavy feeling in the legs. Risk factors include genetics, age, prolonged standing, obesity, and pregnancy. This on your skin? Well, don't panic. But before I tell you, make sure to subscribe. Blisters are small pockets of fluid that form on the upper layers of your skin, typically as a result of friction, burns, or other skin irritation. They can be painful, but they're usually a sign that your body is protecting and healing itself. This is static electricity. It happens when two different materials come into contact and then separate, causing an imbalance of electrons. When you touch something conductive, like a metal object, the electrons jump and create a spark. It's perfectly normal, but it can be a bit surprising. Static electricity is caused by the friction between two different materials. This is what you call albinism. Albinism is a genetic condition where people are born without the usual pigment, color in their bodies. Their bodies aren't able to make a normal amount of melanin, the chemical responsible for eye, skin, and hair color. People with albinism often have very light skin, hair, and eyes. Because of the lack of melanin, their skin is more sensitive to the sun, making them more prone to sunburn. Their vision can also be affected, leading to issues like photophobia, sensitivity to light, and nystagmus, involuntary eye movement. This is a conjoined twins who are physically connected to each other at some part of their bodies. This rare phenomenon occurs when the early embryo only partially separates, leading to the twins developing physically attached to each other. Conjoined twins may share organs and other body structures depending on the location and extent of their connection. Medical advances have made it possible for some conjoined twins to be surgically separated, but the procedures can be complex and risky. Despite the challenges, many conjoined twins lead fulfilling and meaningful lives, showcasing incredible resilience and cooperation. We hope you enjoyed exploring these 15 rare and weird conditions. If you were amazed, hit that like button, share the video, and make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Their bodies aren't able to make a normal amount of melanin, the chemical responsible for eye, skin, and hair color.